Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Want to Step. Today in this video I'm going to teach you how to fix a story highlights if it's not being published. So first of all you need to restart your mobile phone, and after restarting your mobile phone then it will be working. If it's still not working, then uninstall your Facebook and reinstall it by going to your App Store or your Play Store and searching Facebook. Now you can reinstall it again, then it would be working. So go to your Facebook, go to these three bars that is on top right corner, go to your profile and click on these three dots that is beside edit profile. Now click on archive, wait for a while and click on story archive. Now the story you have posted will be here. Now let's say I want to post this on my highlight, and click on this highlight button, type in a small emoji or any title you want to give it and click on save and wait for a while as it is saving your highlights. As you can see, it has been posted. Go back to your profile, refresh your profile and go little bit scroll down. As you can see, the highlights has been posted. If you find our video helpful, please leave a like and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Hit the bell icon button to get updates on our new videos and drop a comment for reviews and more contents like this. Thank you for watching.